What is up, YouTube? What is up? Good morning, good morning. How did y'all wake up today? Did y'all wake up in the back of a semi truck? Or did y'all wake up inside y'all terminal? I keep trying to tell y'all, man. Find your way out of that shit, man. Make a way, man. We is not dirty truck drivers no more, man. We is living life. Just hanging out, man. Listening to the waves all night. Hit the shore. Oh, man. Now it's time to go get us some breakfast. Hang at the pool, man. Just out here relaxing, man. What y'all fake caring about today, guys? Drop a comment below and tell me where y'all at today, man. What city y'all in, man? What truck stop y'all at, man? Drop a comment below. Oh, got this sandcastle in the lobby. All right, YouTube. We here at the hotel, man. We're gonna check out today, man. If you ever come to South Florida, Palm Beach, Martin County, come to Hutchinson Island Resort, man. This is the spot. This is my little hideaway spot. Y'all my folks, so I'm putting y'all in the game room. The best hotel on the Treasure Coast. I like this better than Palm Beach. Palm Beach is too Hollywood. So you come here, it's a lot more laid back. You can get up here and hide away from all your problems. So look. You ain't gotta be around that Hollywood stuff. It's Formula One racing weekend in Miami. You got Sunfest going on. You got Brown Sugar Festival going on. And it's Flizzle Bash over there in Port Charlotte on the West Coast. We might go over to Port Charlotte tonight. So check up out of here. And I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a little bit. Woo! Now we got that sun. We back at the house. Let's get into this new C.H. Robinson news report. This is insane. Guys, let's look at this bull jive right here, man. I ain't even finna cuss, man. All right, guys, back on freightwaves.com. Shout out to them boys, man. Y'all look at this crap, man. C.H. Robinson stock blasts higher after strong first quarter numbers. Now, before I even read this, y'all know damn well why they numbers so damn high. They've been lowballing the freight and they've been pocketing more money off top. Come on now. Post earnings, action suggests heavy short covering. Key numbers sequentially were significantly improved. Against tough as expected year-to-year comparisons, C.H. Robinson first quarter earnings report chose to highlight how the 3PL, third-party logistics, did sequentially, where signs of improvement were not hard to find. The numbers overall were strong enough to lead analyst Jeff Kaufman of Vertical Partners to say on the company's earnings call something that it has been heard much in earlier post-earning discussions at C.H. Robinson. Congratulations to see numbers like this. And in a broader round of applause for the earnings, post-earnings trade in C.H. Robinson stock soared. C.H. Robinson has been reported as one of the most heavily shorted shares in the market, which always has the potential to lead to a sharp upward move should the fortunes of a battered company change and traders rush to cover their short positions. It appears that a lot of the traders holding short positions in C.H. Robinson stock swung into action Tuesday afternoon, which is including me, I ain't gonna lie. Trading the stock closed the day at 72.09, up from the 65.52 week low recorded April 17th. but well down from the 52-week low of 106 recorded almost a full 52 weeks ago on May 3rd, 2023. But at one point within 90 minutes of the market close, C.H. Robinson stock price was up more than 13%. Just before 7 p.m., it was up about 11%. The company's earnings for the first quarter beat Wall Street consensus projections. C.H. Robinson's non-GAAP earnings per share of 80 cents was better than the consensus forecast by 23 cents. Wow. According to Seeking Alpha, revenue of $4.41 billion was $130 million more than the consensus. Key sequential comparisons were solidly positive. Total revenues in the core brokerage business, North America Surface Transportation, were largely unchanged at $3 billion from the fourth quarter of 2023 to the first quarter of 2024. But gross profits in NAS rose to $397 from $380, and income from operations rose sequentially to $109 million from $96 million. Individual transportation types will also improve sequentially. Truckload adjusted gross profits rose to $257 from $243. LTL profits combined for $141 million from $136 million, and ocean transportation was up $112 million from $99 million. Adding in other transportation types lead to adjusted gross profits for the various transportation services lines of $657 million in the first quarter, compared to $618 million fourth quarter 2023. The adjusted gross margin for all transportation activities in the quarter was 15.4%. That is better than 3 of the 2023 four quarters, topped only by the 15% in the second quarter, and topped all the quarters of 2021. The most recent quarter when the top 16 was the 17.5% from the second quarter of 2020, for obvious reasons. To reflect on the past several years have been tough at C.H. Robinson. A chart on the adjusted gross margin for all transportation activities showed annual margins from 16.6% to 18.4% for 2015 through 2019. The adjusted margin for the company as a whole was 19.3%, while that is down 420 basis points from a year ago. What's in the model? With CEO Dave Bozeman, well, he getting ready to lie, y'all. Watch this. Repeatedly invoking the model as the reason for the improvements that not surprisingly led to a question from analyst Scott Group of Wolf Research. What's in the model? He said he's pretty serious about the model. It's based on lean principles, which has been 5 basic points. Specify value, identify steps in the value stream, create flow, establish pool, and seek perfection. I've done it in other places. I know it works. And one of the basics of the model, Bozeman said, has been focusing on inputs versus outputs. The sort of focus at the steps that they are being taken to get the task completed and not just outcome of a process. That involves a need to drive better discipline, accountability, and responsibility. We're driving our enterprise strategy with maps and scorecards, and we're looking at it ourselves from inputs, Bozeman said. We took the time to put all the inputs in instead of putting an output-based company. Yeah, that means they short calling the damn loads. Bozeman in the company's presentation released in the conjunction with the earnings focused on several metrics. For example, one chart showed 2 quarters of sequential improvement in the company's truckload average gross profit per shipment have bottomed out in the third quarter. Other benchmarks have improved. CEO Mike Zechmeister noted that C.H. Robinson truckloads cost in the first quarter, defined as cost per mile, increased in the first quarter relative to the fourth. So we had a sequential increase there, but we're still able to deliver the margin. Whatever. Technology is expected to play a key role in that effort, he added. What we try to do with our technology is figure out how to reduce manual tasks, manual touches, and really target those areas so that our people can focus on what they do best in their relationship and solving problems for our customers. Which means they're focusing a little more on AI, guys. They're going with the AI. All right, guys. I've seen enough of this. All right, guys. We back at the house, obviously. All right, so basically from this C.H. Robinson report, it's safe to say that they've recorded record numbers because look how cheap the freight is going for on the load boards. Truck drivers are suffering and they're benefiting off you not being able to pay your bills and you not making ends meet and breaking even every week. They're having record number profit growth. So for them to have that record amount of growth, that means you had to take a hit on the load, on the rate per mile, right? So if you wanted higher rates, You're gonna drive down their profit margin for the next quarter. They don't want to do that because that's gonna make them look bad in the stock market. That's gonna drop the stock. So for all you truck drivers out there that's thinking that the rates are gonna come back up to some decent amount, ain't gonna happen no time soon. Just like the real estate market. People in Florida hoping for a crash, not gonna happen. They just built a Dolce Cabana condominium tower, this broke ground, and another one, and another one. So if you got $100 million condos, who make you think the real estate market finna come down anytime soon? They finna have gold-plated floors, gold-plated ceilings. So when you look at it from that perspective, C.H. Robinson is the same concept as real estate. You thinking that old load you used to do for $4 per mile from C.H. Robinson? You better go somewhere else, man. I'm telling you right now, man. C.H. Robinson is making hand over fist off of your suffering. So when you sit up here and you get on YouTube and you tell people that, oh, that's this and that, listen, man. Right now, company drivers, or majority, for the most part, are making more than most owner-operators. 100% fact. You can't find me 100 owner-operators on here that could call my bluff. Now, you got some that's still making decent money working out of the ports. They got they got little contracts going on, but we talking about this. This is non-flatbed. We talking about drive-in reefer. We talking about just straight off the load board. Man, them dudes ain't making no money, man. I see how they living. They ain't moving like me. They struggling. It's a way. It ain't what it used to be. So, I see these company guys living decent lives right now, making 80, 90, 100,000. They ain't stressing like these owner operators because they ain't got no overhead. So when you look at it like that, that's why C.H. Robinson recorded record numbers. Bro, they stock went through the roof. It crashed and went up. They short selling the stock. So when you see that, rates ain't gonna come back up in 2024. That's all I'm trying to tell y'all guys. Get your stuff in order, get your finances in order, and figure something out, man. But that's all, man. I appreciate y'all for hanging with us at the resort. I don't know what I'm doing tonight. I may go do something. I'll probably drop another video tonight too. But other than that, man, Sunfest is still going on tonight. It's F1 weekend in South Florida, so the F1 Formula race is going on in Miami at the Dolphin Stadium. So all your favorite celebrities, that means the casino's gonna be crazy tomorrow. And yeah, man, that's what we're doing. So I appreciate y'all for rocking me on this episode. I'll see y'all on the next one.